Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel, This Teaching Mama. For today's video, we will be sharing to you this toddler learning folder that I personally made for my kids. Toddler Learning Folder is a preschool prep folder that is full of fun, interactive, and hands-on activities that would teach children aging 1 to 3 years old basic concepts like colors, shapes, naming familiar objects around them, numbers, letters, body parts, and many more. I made this toddler learning folder when my eldest was almost 2 years old, and now my son, who is also 2 right now, is using it.
It's red. Where's the same color? Yes.
Some of the activities that you will be seeing here were already featured in our Logic Activities for Toddlers videos. And if you want to check that out, we will be putting a link down below on the description box for you to watch those videos as well. This simple matching activity already teaches your child how to solve a problem and also develops their attention skills.
Wala naman na ikaw daw. Tap. Purple. Blue. Blue na siya? Yes, it is blue. Red bear.
This time, Enzo is trying to sort out
Another
these
red
colored bears for the first time.
Yes, good job.
I
Yellow.
recommend that when a
Yellow.
child is engaged in a learning experience,
That's
the teacher or parent should
yellow
describe the child's actions because it also helps the child learn new
wala.
words, thus adding up to their
To put
vocabulary.
the other yellow. Yellow. Another blue. Red. Yes, you put the red there. Red bear on the red square. Yellow bear on the yellow square. Another yellow bear. Hey, red man too. That's red. That's red. It's red. You're kidding, Mama. You're kidding me. Hello, you're kidding, Mama. Bus. You are right. What else? That's a tricycle. Good job.
Children learn new words mainly by hearing
red
them
car.
in a meaningful context. That's
That one
why
is a jeepney.
reading to and with children and engaging them in conversations are great ways to
bicycle.
build their vocabularies.
That's a motorcycle. A bike. And the last one is a red car. Yay, good job. You are right. You did it by yourself. Where's the same star fruit? Banana. Yellow banana. Yes. Apple. Red apple. Orange. Orange fruit. Good job. You did it. And the last one is a green guava. Yay! Good job, though. Say banana, apple, orange, star fruit, lemon, and guava. Where is the square dog? Yes, that one is square.
And just a reminder everyone that the link on how to download this toddler learning folder is in the description box of this video. You can check that out later when this video is done.
about here? Sun. Ant. An insect. Ant. Yes, you got it right. You matched it correctly. The sun. Yellow sun. You are right again. Flower. A blooming flower. Matched it. A green leaf. And what's that? A tree. A tall tree. Alright. You match it all correct. Mouth or lips? Asa man na? Here, oh. Asa man? How about the nose? This one or this one? Where's the nose? Oh, you match it correctly. Tama man to. Oh, nose. And then the feet. The last picture, feet. Head. Eyes. Nose. Ear. Tummy. Feet. Feet. Teeth. Your mouth or lips. Dress.
If your child gets overwhelmed when you lay out all the pictures that she has to match, then you can give the picture one by one so they can easily accomplish the activity. Just like what we did here.
Red pair of shoes.
We should remember that the activities we prepare for our kids are not too difficult nor too easy for them.
How about this orange cat? Meow. Where to put the orange? How about a purple hat? Purple hat. How about another purple grape? Another purple one. Where to put the purple? Asa ang purple do? Asa na purple? Kani orange. This one purple. Oh, right. You put the purple ones there. How about this orange pumpkin? You are right. How about a purple yarn? Where should you put it? Purple mana. Where are the purple things? Where are the purple things? Ano. Oh, where are the purple things? Where should you put the purple yarn, Enzo? Purple mana. Purple, yeah. Purple, that's purple dong. Asa man ang purple? Kani orange, kani purple. Asa man ang purple ibutang? Oh, dira. You are right. How about a purple kettle? Ay, purple orange kettle. Asa man na? Orange. Yes. Put the orange things there. Orange fish. Asa ibutang? Where to put the orange fish? Is it with the purple or with the orange mat? Orange. Yay! You know how to do it, Enzo.
Right now, we will see Ate Kyla do this rainbow sorting activity with Pompoms because Enzo is still not yet interested in doing this activity.
I'll finish the line of red. Yay! Oh, it's not finishing. Purple? Huh?
Okay lang.
So funny.
When Enzo tried doing this activity, he was not able to finish it. Maybe he was overwhelmed with the number of pom-poms in the basket, or it is too difficult for him.
Go.
Purple. Yeah, it's purple. Ice cream. No, it's the same with this one. How about this one though? The same. Blue ice cream. How about chocolate brown ice cream? A chocolate brown ice cream. Oh, let's put this back here. Oh, where's the chocolate brown ice cream? Where is it? Chocolate brown ice cream. Yeah, that one is chocolate. You put it here. Paa. Put it here. Yes, you are right. It's the same. Chocolate brown ice cream.
That's it, everyone. Thanks for watching. And if you are happy with the kind of videos we are sharing to you here on YouTube, please do consider to hit like and subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you will be updated when we upload a new video next time. Daghang salamat! Bye-bye!
My buttons. I love my groovy buttons. Pop. Asa man ang green? This one is yellow mat. This one is for the green mat. How about correct? Yellow cheese. Yellow. Where's the yellow mat? Try again. Where's the yellow mat? Alright, you are correct. How about a green leaf? Where should you put the green leaf? Yes, with the green mat. Correct. How about a green alien?